What's up guys, it's Jimmy from Jimmy's Garage and this is my stump grinder. And as you can probably tell, this thing takes up a lot of space in my garage. And the only way to get more space in here is to move this out of the way, but unfortunately, the jack on this has a flat bottom, so to move it, I gotta hook this onto my truck and pull it out of the way. Until now, enter the 1,500-pound trailer jack by Haulmaster from Harbor Freight. Now, if I need to move this thing around, all I gotta do is pull it, and it rolls freely. I can even push it from the back end, and it rolls easily as well. No big deal. Now I have way more room! So basically, I clamped this guy on here, got it nice and square, welded here, welded down here, and then the other side, welded here, welded here. And then on the other side of this top flange, I have a nice full bead on here. And I did the same thing right under here, nice full bead. So the idea is when I want to move this stump grinder and I don't want to have to hook it up to my truck and pull it out of the way, I can just slap this guy into place, lower this guy down, and then roll it away. Now this whole grinder and trailer setup weighs about 1,700 pounds, and this jack is rated for 1,500 pounds. I can physically lift this tongue end, so I know there's not 1,500 pounds up at this end. And this thing does a great job raising and lowering it. It's basically effortless. So I think this can fully handle the weight of this stump grinder and trailer. All right, well that's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Questions, comments, thoughts, anything, leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Take care. Now I have way more room!